I wanted to show you the proof of this edge control, and that's why I'm coming to you looking like a crooked.
Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you?
Okay, this is day 2 hair, okay? Clearly, like, I did my bun. I took my sock out my bun or whatever. But let me show you this, okay? Do you see these edges? Do you see these edges? Oh, excuse you. Do you want to know what kind of edge control this is? I think you do. I am no longer in need. This is canceled. This, when you are doing your hair, like, it's summertime. Well, we're heading into fall, but during the summer, I know which edge control I'm gonna use next summer. Cause I don't know about y'all ladies, but if you use the Mori edge control, or any other edge control for that matter, and it starts getting hot, your edges wanna like melt away with the damn, with the heat. And I don't like that, cause then I start looking like a very rambunctious 7-year-old that drinks juice all day and walks around smelling like high C. These edges are from yesterday, right? There's product in it, and there's no flakes. This is the edge control I'm about to put y'all onto. This is from yesterday. There's no, that wasn't a flake. That was, I don't know what the fuck that was. It ain't, it's really not budging, y'all. Like, I don't know if this water's gonna help. I'm gonna try, see if this water helps. Okay, so yeah, basically you add water, but honestly, it'll take a while because I, got my hair wet in the shower, my edges were still there. I slept and sweat throughout the night and my edges were still there. If it was goddamn Maury's, if it was this bullshit, oh, girl. I don't know how much this edge control will retail at your beauty supply store. However, at my beauty supply store, it is $10. And that may be expensive because this size of Maury's is about $5. But it's worth it. Like, people need to just F the price. It's worth it. Like, it is worth the $10. Yeah, this is not to be cute. This is for scientific reasons. It's called Style Factor Stronghold Water-Based Pomade. Ooh. It says stronghold and high shine with natural argan oil. Hold power 5, and that's the maximum hold power. They weren't lying. And let me tell you something. You see how it said it creates a shine? I feel like I'm gonna do my edges on one side with the Maury's, and then I'm gonna do my edges on one side with this, and I can show you texture-wise, I really like the Edge Booster. Oh, this was not paid for. I bought this with my money. I ain't being asked to tell you about this, and I ain't fake. So if I'm telling you it works, it works. Maybe one day Style Factor will make me their, girl, I can't stop smelling it because it smells, oh, I didn't tell you. They're scented. They come in different scents, and there's like coconut, there's like key lime, and this one's strawberry. This was probably a little bit too much because a little bit goes a long way. And look, it doesn't do that nasty, tacky, white crap that Maury's will do at times. Now we're gonna compare. If we compare like the texture of the product, it shows up more white. Do this movement right here. It's really tacky and shit. Okay, so now that my edges are done, we're done off camera because I was struggling doing it while looking at my viewfinder. This is my baby hair when I use hairs. Murray's, and this is my baby hairs when I use Style Factor. It's just not laying the same way as this side is, in my opinion. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. You can let me know in the comment section. No, like you could be like, no, bitch, they look the same, you just hype. Or you can just say, no, I really do see the difference. I'm letting the product sit in before I do the rub test to show you guys, like, nothing will make this edge control budge. Again, it's called Style Factor. This is the packaging. Style Factor. It's edge booster. They're not even calling it an edge control. All right, I like these adjectives we're using here. This is extreme edge control, but my edges don't need to be controlled. They need to be boosted. You feel me? My edges need to be boosted, not controlled. Let these dry. Let these dry. From the touch, look at me touch. Oh, let me see if I get up this close to the touch. You see how this affects the edges? You see how the hair moves? To the touch, do you see how this hair is not moving? Ooh, this is a great thumbnail right here. Okay, and now for the rub test. Yeah. Same amount of effort. When it comes to mobility and what's gonna melt off your head, throw Murray away, bitch, and go get you some Style Factor edge booster, because we're here to boost your edges. We're not here to control your edges. It is almost midnight, and Alara did my hair around 2 and around 3, 4 today. I went out and it was quite warm and my edges are still intact. I just wanted to show y'all that. That edge booster is no joke.